Welcome back to the newthoughtcoaching.org series on practical metaphysics in business. Today, we delve into the term appearance and its transformative impact in business and personal growth. In metaphysics, appearance refers to the distinction between what seems to be and what actually is. It's a powerful concept that challenges our perceptions and beliefs. Negative thinking can create conditions that appear real. However, these results are not actualities, but merely reflections of our beliefs. In sales, understanding the difference between appearance and reality can shift our approach, leading to more authentic and effective client interactions. For business managers, recognizing the illusion of negative appearances can foster a more positive, reality-based work culture. Embracing this concept in personal development means aligning your beliefs with reality, not appearances, enhancing both personal and professional life. Join us in the next video as we continue to explore practical metaphysical terms and their profound impact on our professional lives.